Imagine creating music with just a few words. What if you could turn your thoughts into hit tracks instantly, effortlessly, and for free? Welcome to AI Expert Reviews. Today we're diving into Sunno AI, the platform that makes music creation fun and easy for everyone. Here's how to get started. Input your ideas. You can provide Sunno AI with a simple prompt. Whether you have full lyrics or just a general mood in mind, you can also customize your song style of music, pop, R&B, indie, etc., and even choose a song title. You can also choose to create instrumental songs without any lyrics. Sunno AI's smart algorithms analyze your input and get to work creating melodies, beats, and lyrics to match your vision. Sunno AI works its AI magic, creating your song by generating two different styles based on your original input. This gives you the opportunity to compare and choose the one that best fits your vision. Here's a sample of what I've generated with Sunno AI. Let's listen to the song and see what you think.
I still remember the way you smiled, how it felt to be lost in your eyes for a while. But now that you're gone, I'm left in the dark.
So what do you think? Do you like it? Leave a comment below and let me know if you love this track. If you want to edit your song, you can make changes to specific sections. Whether it's altering the lyrics, adjusting the melody, or switching up the beats, Sunno AI makes it easy to customize your track. You can also edit song details such as the title or change the style of music if you're not completely satisfied with the initial result. Once your song is ready and you love it, it's time to share it with everyone. You can make your song public so that it's available for anyone to listen to worldwide. Not only can you make your song public, but you can also download it to use wherever you want, whether it's for a video, podcast, or just to enjoy on your playlist. So why wait when you can start creating your own music today? With Sunno AI, the power of music production is at your fingertips, whether you're a professional or a complete beginner. Quick note to keep in mind: if you create music with the basic free plan, Sunno AI owns the songs, and you can only use them for non-commercial purposes. However, if you upgrade to the Pro or Premier plan, you own the songs and get a commercial use license, allowing you to monetize and sell your music. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching AI Expert Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.